In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up LinkedIn outreach automation within FlashRev. So you go to Outreach tab and select Sequences. And you add sequence here, and you choose LinkedIn out of these five options. And here, you can see three options to automate within LinkedIn: automatic connect, automatic message, and automatic post like. And if you choose automatic connect, you can choose to put some messages with the connection request. We're going to go without one this time and save step. And as you can see, you now created a step for automatic connection request. Then you add a step here and choose LinkedIn again. And if you choose automatic message, you can type in messages you want to send out, then save step. And you can choose to increase the number of days you wait after you send out the connection request, or you can choose to reduce it as well. So basically, this is the setup for automatic connection requests and automatic messages. Once you send it out, if you choose LinkedIn from Outreach tab and you go to this page, you can see prospects that you sent out automatic connection requests, and you can also send messages and reply to messages here as well. That's it for this video, and see you in the next one.